Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Helm from Windows step by step clearly.
Begin by opening the command prompt on your Windows machine. You can do this by typing CMD into the Windows search bar and hitting enter.
Next, confirm that Helm is installed by typing Helm version in the command prompt.
If Helm is indeed installed, you will see the version information displayed.
Now, to uninstall Helm, you first need to remove the Helm binary. Locate the folder where Helm is installed, usually in a directory like c:\program files\helm or similar. Use the command prompt to navigate to that directory. You can do this by using the cd command followed by the path to the Helm installation directory.
Once you're in the correct folder, type delhelm.exe to delete the Helm binary. This action removes Helm from your system. Next, you will want to clean up configurations and data Helm might have created. Check for a /.helm directory by typing dir%user_profile% in the command prompt. If the .helm directory exists, navigate to your user profile directory. You can do this by typing cd%user_profile%. Then, to delete the .helm directory, type rmdir/s.helm and press enter. This command will remove the Helm configuration files and any charts you may have downloaded. Finally, confirm that Helm has been uninstalled by typing. You should receive a message indicating that Helm is not recognized as a command. Congratulations, you have successfully uninstalled Helm from your Windows machine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.